I'm Phil Dunmore from Premium Classic Cars. Welcome to the second part of our restoration series. Here we have a Mercedes 190 SL that you would have seen in the first part as a barn find. You'll remember the car at that stage had many of its components stashed inside. It was looking very, very sad indeed, and it was looking a little bit sorry for wear. Here now we've taken the car to the last nut and bolt. It's been completely stripped. It's then been soda blasted, which has revealed a great deal of corrosion, I'm afraid, and that's been painstakingly welded and restored, and it's now been realigned with new floor pans, new metal panels from Germany, so that the car can now be leaded and tinned before it goes to the paint shop, where it would be painted for anti-corrosion treatment and then go on to become its gleaming silver colour. Client for this car is yet undecided whether he'll have a St James interior or a poppy red interior, but certainly this is going to be one of those beautiful iconic 190s in the silver shade from 1959 with the wonderful dark red interior. Possibly the very best part of the whole restoration process. I get to drive the car just as it's finished. This particular car is the subject of a very last nut and bolt restoration, and it's my job now to go through the fine detail and allow the workshop the feedback that makes it possible to do the fine adjustments. And I have to say, the car feels surprisingly good, despite the fact that we're not yet back to the workshop for our first spanner checks and minor adjustments. Tickover's great, engine's smooth, power's considerable and responsive and linear, and it just feels lovely. Tracking's good, steering track's straight. Very pleased. This one's not going to take too much effort to fine-tune to perfection. Here we have a Mercedes 190 that is the very finished part of all of our work and effort. In fact, the work and effort of a very established team that are very professional. I think you'll agree have done a quite outstanding job. This particular motor car in silver with the iconic St James red interior has got the upgrades of a Mexico Becker hi-fi unit, so sat-nav, so the new owner can enjoy to drive the car in Europe. It's also a motor car that's shining with beautiful new chrome, gleaming paintwork, a motor car that can pick up charging facilities with a USB port and iPhone connector, and a few little subtleties. We also have the lovely hood bra, which you'll see covers the roof while it's down. And it's a motor car that's going to be really, really enjoyed. I have no doubt about that.